Hey, what's up guys, I'm here back again with a new video, and in this video I'll be showing you if you're facing with the issue that pub is not a recognized command, then you're on the right video. Basically, we are going to open our command prompt and type pub, which is not a recognized internal or external command. So if I run Flutter, it basically runs very flawlessly. Okay, this is installed very properly, Dart is installed properly, but the thing that is left which it does not identify is because of the fact that we have not set the Dart SDK in our env, that is environmental variable. So what we do is basically we just go and navigate towards the env, that is the environmental variables, click on path, click on edit, and then click on new, and we're going to paste some URL right in here. And let me just locate you to the Dart SDK where I have stored it on the spacey local disk and languages, and in here there's a Dart SDK, and we are going to locate to the bin of the Dart SDK, and in here we just copy this, click on new again, and right here paste it, click on OK, and close this terminal, open it again, and if you run the command pub, and basically it runs again. So that's it for this video guys, hope you like it. Subscribe to my channel. This is the video from Error Series, and hope you like it.